Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a good start of the week so far, and welcome to the first XRP update. For this week, we have enough to talk about. Yesterday, XRP was relatively strong if you compare it to the markets. If you put XRP over Bitcoin here, and if you look at the relative strength, it's probably not too well. I mean, XRP against Bitcoin here is actually quite strong as well. And it actually broke out. So that's going to be interesting to see if we can actually hold this breakout here, which you can evidently see. The last time we were not able to hold it, as you can see here as well. But no, that's why I wanted to cover XRP, all right? I also just wanted to do a bit of a news update, but there's obviously something going on with XRP, and I still do think that what we have right here in terms of a market structure, which is almost breaking, is very interesting, right? I mean, if you have a market structure like this, you always have to ask yourself the question, well, do I trust a line on the chart enough to see this as something valuable? In my opinion, with the fundamentals coming up as well, I do, all right? But we'll talk about that a little bit later. The first reason why I just wanted to cover XRP here is just to do an update on the situation right now and the technicals. And what I thought was interesting, and that's also one of the key reasons why I am looking to buy XRP soon, is the momentum we see. All right, obviously the whole fundamental situation right now revolves a lot around the appeal. So the 6th of October, most of you know that, but for those of you who don't, the 6th of October is the deadline for either Ripple or the SEC to file an appeal on the ruling of the 7th of August, I believe. So that's a major date. All right. I would say generally, although this is a very, very simple thinking, I would say generally an appeal would be bearish, at least short term, and no appeal would be bullish, because then the case is over. XRP has at least partially won, and it can start to focus on building out a project again, right? And that is bullish, or at least we presume that that's going to be bullish. So that's the major thing. And the thing is that although you and I probably are still kind of on the edge on that issue, like is the SEC going to appeal, yes or no? We don't know, right? I mean, Ripple put that money into the interest-bearing account. That's kind of an indication that they do expect an appeal. It could also be a precaution, right? It could also be that they just want to have interest income on that if they are going to file an appeal, and that they are not certain that they're going to file an appeal. And the markets, and that's what I think is the most interesting part, where you see the momentum, the open interest increase quite a bit with a positive CVD. The market seems to be thinking that we are not going to have an appeal. And that's interesting, all right? Because the market is usually right. And this reminds me quite a bit of what we saw, for example, also right here at the beginning of July, when we saw quite a lot of momentum ahead of the ruling, which at the end, even though we fell down quite a bit, but that was mostly because of the market, at the end that was true. So I am slightly bullish on XRP here. I think that technically we are also forming some sort of an uptrend here, although I mean this is invalid, but it does show you what's going on here. So if we are going to be able to break above that level at 60 cents, I will buy XRP. All right. I think the strength we see right now in the order flow, combined with the potential of having no appeal, I think that's enough to be bullish on XRP here. I would like to see some more confirmation. So for now, I would say it's most likely that we will just stay down here and stay quiet a little bit, also ahead of the FOMC, ahead of the interest rate decision tomorrow. But regardless, my eyes and my price target is at 60 cents. Break above that, and I'm buying. I think that's enough technical confirmation to at least make it worth the risk, all right? And that's the only thing you need as a trader. So those are my thoughts. That's a bit of an update from my side. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.